Greetings, fellow YouTubes and interwebs. It's getting late in the season here, and I thought I would show you the little jerk. Thought I'd show you the luffas that I got so far. These are ready to be cleaned up. Here's a few. Anyway, I've had all these plus about 4 or 5 more, and I'm going to show you the rest of them when I go outside here. The Texas Rangers are in the playoffs. It is game 2 of the ALDS, and the Rangers are tied with the Blue Jays. And I hope the Rangers win. There goes Tom Sawyer. He wants to go outside. And the dog. And it looks like we might get a little bit of rain today, which is pretty unusual. We haven't had any rain for, it's been 2 months at least. Here's the luffas. They've grown pretty far. They've stretched out all the way down the fence line there. And these things have been producing like crazy, and they're still producing. But I bet you there's probably 20, 25 of them on the vine right now. And they're just all over the place. They're hiding in there. There's a little baby one back there. And just all over. There's a whole bunch of them back here behind this. Can't really show you, but they're all back there. And so I'm real happy with them. I think next year I'm gonna make a better trellis, try to get even more. I'm finally getting some of these bottle gourds to grow. I've had a lot of luck growing these things in the past, except this year where I haven't had any. I got one right there. This one's been on the vine forever. It's hard as a rock. It's probably ready to be picked, but I'll probably just let it dry on the vine. And there's another little baby one right there. But also got some little pumpkin looking gourds that I gave to my mom for fall decorations, I guess. But anyway, I'm real happy with them this year. They've grown really well, which is surprising because I got such a late start with them. And they're doing really well. And here's a little jalapeno plant that's just been struggling all year long. I think the soil that I put them in is holding too much water, and they just didn't grow. And here's some black-eyed peas. I got a whole bunch of peas off these. They're pretty good to eat when they're raw too. And here's a volunteer tomato. I'm not sure what kind of tomato it is. But golly, I didn't notice this before, but look at all the flowers on this little cherry tomato. I might finally get a decent amount of tomatoes off of it. There's some broccoli here. It's doing pretty well. I'm not sure why. This one is a lot bigger than the other ones, but it is. And here I got some lettuce growing. And there's some carrots and some something different I've never tried before, snow peas, which are supposed to do well, or do better in cooler weather. So I think they'll be perfect for growing for the next couple of months at least. And there's some wheat. I planted this for my cat to munch on, and some oats. My cat really doesn't eat it though. He likes to eat the yard grass that he... Well, I ran out of space on the memory card and had to delete a few things, but there's Tom Sawyer. He's just chilling out on the little play set. Hey buddy, you're not gonna like it when it starts raining out here, so you might want to come in with me. Here's my little I guess my compost bin. Seems like a good place to put it. Hey buddy. Here's some sweet corn that I planted late just to see what would happen. Getting a lot of pollen to fall off of these things now that it's cooled down, but the pollen wouldn't fall. It wouldn't produce when it was hot. Now that it's cooled down a little bit, it seems to be dropping a lot of pollen. So maybe I'll get a couple of ears of sweet corn before it gets too cold. Oh, and here I got some carrots and some broccoli, and I put some onions over here, and they didn't grow worth a damn. In fact, most of them died. I got 3 left. But anyway, that's my garden this year. Not much doing. I'll show you the full size of that loofah. Actually, that's about 3 loofah plants, I think. They're just spread all up and down the fence line. So, that's it. I'm signing off. See if Tom Sawyer ends up hurting himself. What, buddy? I want to get out. He loves to play with the strap on the camera. Alright buddy, let's go back inside now. Watch the baseball game.